Hi there, students. Do you know what we call this stuff in English? Well, we call it cling film because it clings and sticks, it hugs and holds to the cup or the glass. Yeah? It attaches and sticks around something. So in English we have this verb to cling, meaning to hold tightly to something. Yeah, to hold tightly to something, so as not to fall off. So the people on the funfair ride clung onto the safety bar, to grip tightly, to stick to. We clung together to keep warm. So to cling, to stick to adhere to, but without glue or anything that fixes it, just over the surface, particularly of a film or a textile. The wet fabric clung to her body, it stuck to her body. The climbing plant clung to the wall of the house. Okay? Now, we can also use to cling figuratively, meaning to be emotionally attached to something and not want to give it up, to not want it to end. So we cling to old-fashioned ways, even though the new ones are better. Resistance to change, this is clinging to the past. He clung to the belief that he was right, despite all of the evidence to the contrary. So he continued to hold on to it, to believe it was true. He clung to the hope that his friend was still alive among the wreckage. So to cling to refuse to give up an idea, a belief, a way of doing things, a memory, to be loyal, to be faithful to something like that. Notice as well, you can also use cling talking about fruit. I'm thinking about cling peaches, where the fruit or the flesh is strongly attached, it adheres very strongly to the central pit or stone. So, to cling, to clutch, to grasp, to embrace, to grasp, to hug, to hold on to clasp. You have to stick to hold tightly to. The tar clung to my skin. The mud clung to my shoes. He clings to his old-fashioned ideas. So, next question, what about formality? I'd give this word a 5. You can use it anywhere. Informally, very formally, both ends. Notice though, to cling is an irregular verb. Cling, clung, clung. Yeah? Irregular, so be careful there. And what about the origin? Well, in Old English there was a word clingan, meaning to stick to. And this is related to a Proto-Germanic word, klingana. So, to cling, it's been with us for a long time. So to cling, to hold tightly to something, to stick or adhere to it, but not using glue. And remember the cling film. Yeah, remember the cling film. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Cling, clung, clung.